By now, you've learned how to read a room, define its purpose, plan the layout, choose a mood, and make intentional design decisions. But good design only becomes useful when it works in real life, because every room is different. Different sizes, different problems, different needs. Yet the process stays surprisingly simple. The same thinking can work almost anywhere. Today, let's see how. A living room often needs to support conversation, relaxation, and daily life. So we begin by asking, how do people use this room? Then we improve movement, create a clear focal point, and make the seating feel connected. A bedroom starts differently. Its purpose is usually rest. That means the layout should feel balanced, the lighting should feel softer, and the room should contain fewer distractions. Different rooms, different goals, same process. Purpose first, then everything else. A home office should help you focus, but it shouldn't feel cold or uncomfortable. Good lighting, practical storage, and visual warmth make work easier. A dining area has a different purpose. It's about gathering and connection. Even a small dining corner can feel intentional when the table size, lighting, and seating fit the space. Again, the room changes. The thinking stays the same. Sometimes a room doesn't need more furniture, it needs more purpose. An empty corner can become a reading area, a workspace, or extra storage, and even rental homes can feel beautiful. Better lighting, textiles, furniture arrangement. Simple changes can completely transform how a space feels. You don't always need renovation. You need intentional decisions. The goal of these examples isn't to give you one perfect formula. Real homes are too different for that. The goal is to teach you how to think. Because once you understand the process, you can walk into almost any room and know what it needs next. And that's where designing your home becomes much easier.